as of June was just 4.61 for your capital outlay, 4.61%. And this improved a little bit. So by August, 15% na siya, 15.91%. Ngayon, we're already end of September na po tayo. And ang projection nyo ay 96% utilization po kayo sa inyong capital outlay. What is the cause of the delay? Bakit 4% and 15% pa lang ang utilization natin when lampas kalahating taon na po?
The rehabilitation and maintenance of ground station is undergoing procurement, so it's currently in process po. So we are optimistic by the end of the year we will be able to complete the procurement. So we are optimistic by the end of the year we will be able to complete the procurement process.